is an automated workflow with an integrated community of certified translators. So as a language company, you can have a QR code or a link on your website, on your landing page. Do you need a birth certificate translation? Click here. It'll go through to your white labeled version of AccuDocs. The customer will choose their language, choose the document that requires translation. They'll upload it, and then they'll create an account. After that, they will pay for it, and as soon as the payment is made, the job will go straight through to the first available certified translator to claim. Another thing that we have, a unique value proposition of AccuDocs is that we believe translators should be paid immediately as well. So as soon as that job is completed, the agency is paid for their margin. The translator receives their payment immediately into their Stripe account, and AccuDocs takes a small clip of the ticket.
So that's the business model?
Yes.
And so you talked about the unique value proposition. Where does AI sit within all this? I know human is still indispensable, and that's part of the cornerstone of your offer as a technology. You still need those certified translators. Where does AI fit in all this, if any?
AI was tricky because we're dealing exclusively with PII, personally identifiable information. And
you don't want to put them on the World Wide Web, that's for sure.
Well, so with this self-service process already designed and a very efficient workflow, we thought, okay, what use does AI have in this situation? And if I was able to reduce the time that a customer was spending doing that self-service process from roughly 2 to 3 minutes to less than 30 seconds, I thought that was an achievement worth going for. And so right now we are using the Claude Sonnet platform to pre-fill the self-service translations for customers, but recognizing also that LLMs are pretty bad at predicting proper nouns, for example, names and so on.
Especially in other languages. That's another question I was going to ask you. Like if you cover like multiple languages, many of them, then it becomes a little more tough.
Yeah, and so it is only as a guide to the end user or the customer who's pre-filling their own information. It is never designed to be the final translation. So if they are to choose that AI service, they are given informed consent. Do you recognize, you accept that your information will go into our model? It will not be used to train the model, but et cetera, et cetera. When they click that button, okay, our Claude Sonnet iteration will scan it, will pre-fill that information in English, and they will then verify it and check it, edit if necessary before paying and before it going through to the translator to then do that final check.